Alright guys, we are back and I am continuing one of my favorite series ever. That's right, the High Riders. Let's go! So if you guys have been watching my videos, you probably know who the High Riders are. But if not, I'll fill you in real quick. The High Riders is a series based on marijuana. That's right, smoking weed and riding boards. And you know, one thing I was thinking about is, what else do people ride? What else do stoners ride, right? And you know, stoners love to ride the couch, right? Well, I guess just sit on the couch. Big chillin' on the couch. So that's what we're doing today. We're big chillin' on the couch. We're couch surfing. So let's get into it right here, right now. Let's go. God damn, this one is stressing me out. The pot leaf, I've figured it out. You know, I know how to paint it. I've done it 3 times already. I got it down. But the beer, man, I don't know about it, man. Not feeling good. Him sitting on that couch, getting that angle right, kind of stressing me out. Oh, but we can do it. I know it. Come on, we just got to persevere, push through. Let's go. Well, I think that is a wrap for this one. And let me tell you, I love how this piece came out. But I would love to know what you guys think. And if you dig it, I'm turning these into stickers and they're for sale now. So check out my Etsy in the link below to get yourself some stickers. Thank you guys. Peace out. Double peace. Ayo. We gone. Later.